Hello and welcome to Quick Anatomy Hub. We have discussed epithelium and types of simple epithelium previously. Today we will talk about types of stratified epithelium. A quick review for stratified epithelium. The stratified means it is multiple layers of cells and we name it according to the shape of cells in uppermost layers. Stratified squamous epithelium. As the name says, stratified means it is multi-layered and squamous is the shape of cells in uppermost layers. But the stratified squamous epithelium can be keratinized or non-keratinized. The distinction between two types lies in the amount of keratin present in epithelium because both the types contain the keratin. So first we are discussing the stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. As you can see here, it is multi-layered and cells in surface layer are thin flat squamous with oval or disc-shaped nucleus. The non-keratinized epithelium is found in oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, vagina and lower part of anal canal. Here is the histological diagram. You can see in the purple color shows the extent of epithelium and the cells in upper layer. You can see the nuclei, they are thin and flat. The non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium provides protection and it maintains the moist environment. Now we have stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. Here you can see in this picture multi-layered cells which are shown with the dead and enucleated cells in uppermost layer. This is a schematic diagram. This type of epithelium is present where tissues are exposed to regular abrasion. The dead cells in uppermost layer, which are enucleated, they are especially structured to be waterproof and it reduces the evaporation. Here's a histological diagram. The multilayered cells and in uppermost layer, the enucleated cells, which are shown with an arrow. This is called the keratinization. The keratinized cells are most commonly identified by their enucleated cells. This type of epithelium is present in skin and some parts of oral cavity, like the hard palate or the dorsum of the tongue. Next, we have the stratified cuboidal epithelium. It is quite thin with 2 or 3 layers of cuboidal cells as shown here. This type of epithelium is rarely found and it helps in structural reinforcement. It is found in the lining of excretory ducts of exocrine glands like salivary glands or sweat glands. As you can see in this histological diagram of a section of ducts of the parotid glands where arrows are pointed to the round nucleus of the cuboidal cells. Now we have stratified columnar epithelium. This is also a rare type as the stratified cuboidal epithelium with few layers of cells and the cells in top layer are tall or columnar. It is responsible for protection and mucus secretion. Here you can see the histological section of stratified columnar epithelium. The double arrow shows the extent of epithelium and The arrow pointing to the nucleus shows the shape of elongated cells. It is found in conjunctiva of eye. Here's the transitional epithelium. As we have one special type and simple epithelium, the pseudostratified or respiratory epithelium. Here in stratified epithelium, we have transitional, which is also called the urinary epithelium or urothelium. This epithelium is also multilayered and it starts from minor classes of kidney as 2 layers and continues in major classes ureter and in urinary bladder it is up to 4 to 5 layers. It is also present in proximal part of urethra. The cells in surface layer are umbrella or dome shaped. You can see in the upper layer the cells are dome shaped. And when a part of urinary tract is filled with urine, it causes pressure on walls and they are stretched. So the number of layers decreases to 2 to 3 layers from 4 to 5 layers. Here is the histological section. You can see the extent of epithelium through this double arrow. It is multi-layered, 4 to 5 layers, and the arrow pointing to the nucleus, they show the shape of cells in upper layers. They are umbrella or dome shaped. This epithelium is special and it is impermeable to salts and water and also the toxins in urine. So this was the types of stratified epithelium. Hopefully it will help you to understand the stratified epithelium clearly and remember the sites of different types. If you have any question, you can comment below. Thank you.